Continuing from previous lesson of parallel lines, let's do few more questions to complement our understanding of parallel straight lines. Here we are given in question 1, find equation of side AB of parallelogram which intersects y-axis at c equal to 11. So for side AB, what we are given is y-intercept. For side AB of parallelogram, y-intercept is given. C is equal to y-intercept and this is given that it is equal to 11. The least we need to know is slope of AB. How we will find slope of AB? Because AB is parallel to CD, so whatever is slope of CD, that should be slope of AB. Since AB is parallel to CD, since AB is parallel to CD, and in fact we can write this as AB parallel to CD. This is mathematical way of writing these statements. Since AB is parallel to CD, so slope of AB will be equal to slope of CD. So slope of AB is equal to slope of CD because they are parallel, and we just learned in previous lesson that if two lines are parallel, their slope must be same. So let's call this as x1, y1, and call this x2, y2. Then what will be slope of CD? We'll use this formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. If we use this formula, we will get the value of slope equal to 7 minus 5 over 5 minus 2. This is going to be 2 over 5 plus 2. So this will be 2 over 7. This is slope of side AB of parallelogram, for which we already know that y-intercept is equal to 11. So once we have this slope, this is value of m, and now we know that equation of straight line in slope-intercept form. Since equation of straight line AB in slope-intercept form, is y equal to mx plus c, means m and c are the parameters. If we know m and c, we can just plug in the values for m and c and we will get the equation of straight line. We have both of these parameters, therefore we can plug this in, and y is equal to 2 over 7 x plus 11 for value of c, is required equation of straight line. Is required equation of side AB. This is how we take advantage of a line being parallel to another line, because both have same slope. So we calculate slope of the other line and use that slope for the slope of line for which we require the equation. So this is a very good technique. And now for part 2, what we are given here in the statement is that find equation of straight line parallel to x-axis. Again the same thing. Now we will take advantage of this line being parallel to x-axis. Means that whatever is slope of x-axis is slope of required line. Slope of x-axis is, we already know that slope of x-axis is equal to 0. We already calculated it, but we can calculate again. So let's do question number 2. Slope of x-axis is equal to 0. Why? Because for any 2 points on x-axis, if there is a point A, if this is point A and this is point B, this would be x1, 0. For any point on x-axis, y component will always be equal to 0 because there is no vertical distance. And for B, x2 is and y is 0 again. And if we apply the slope formula, m is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, then this would be 0 minus 0 over x2 minus x1, that would be equal to 0. So for this reason, slope of x-axis is 0. This implies m equal to slope of required line. Required line is also equal to 0 because this line is parallel to x-axis. So now when we have m is equal to 0 and c is already given in the question, c is given in the question that c is minus 3. That is 3 units below the origin. That's the point where line intersects y-axis. C is equal to minus 3. Again, equation of straight line in slope intercept form. Slope intercept form is y is equal to mx plus c. In this form, m and c are the only parameters. Those are the only 2 values we need to know. We already have got these values, so we are going to plug in these values, and the answer for the equation of straight line is there. Y is equal to m is 0 for this purpose into x minus 3 means y is equal to minus 3 is required line.